Now, for those who are looking for a bit more concentration in the AI industry, you're going to want to check out BOTZ. This is the Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF. This fund specifically invests in companies that are expected to benefit massively from increased adoption of robotics and artificial intelligence. Now, the BOTZ ETF has only 46 underlying holdings compared to the 317 held within FTech. So you do have more concentration here into the artificial intelligence industry, but this has a lot less diversification across the information technology sector. The largest individual holding within this ETF is none other than Nvidia, which comes in at 14% of the entire fund invested in this stock. Now, the second largest holding, on the other hand, is a less common name, and that is Intuitive Surgical, which accounts for about 10.5% of the entire fund. This company develops and manufactures robotic-assisted surgery systems and technologies. Now, the rest of the top 10 holdings for this ETF are not common household names, so you should definitely do more research on them before investing. Taking a look at the sector exposure, about 47% of the fund is invested in the information technology sector. Industrials is the second largest sector, which makes sense from the standpoint of robotics and automation at roughly 34% of the fund. Artificial intelligence and robotics automation go hand in hand, so this is a great pairing with this particular ETF.